Welcome back to Responsible Economy. Today, we are bringing you a brand new video. Citi Certificates of Deposit. In this video we will show you the interest rate offered, terms, fees, and requirements. As usual, at the end of this video, you will have a comparison with the 13 best certificates of deposit that you can open in the United States in 2023. You will also have more related content in the description of this video. Let's begin. The maximum interest rate you can get with the Citi Certificate of Deposit is 4.75% APY, with a term of 9 months. This interest rate is competitive but requires you to make a deposit of more than $100,000. If the initial deposit is less than $100,000, the interest rate is 4.05% APY. This last interest rate is not competitive because there are many banks that offer interest rates above 4.5% APY. The minimum term that you can choose is 3 months and the maximum term is 5 years. The highest returns are concentrated in months 9, 12 and 18. The rest of the terms have very low interest rates. To open this certificate of deposit you need to make a minimum deposit of $500. This is another bad feature of this certificate of deposit because there are banks that offer certificates of deposit with no minimum amount. Citibank certificate of deposit has no monthly fees and opening the certificate of deposit is free. Also add that Citi is member to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, so your money is insured up to $250,000. Even if Citibank goes bankrupt, your first $250,000 would be safe. In the case of opening a joint certificate of deposit, the insured money is $500,000. If you withdraw the money before the maturity date, you will have to pay commissions. Citi does not provide information on what fees they charge for withdrawing money before the maturity date. Citibank offers a 12-month certificate of deposit without penalty, but with a ridiculous interest rate of 0.05% APY. If you think you may need the money before the term agreed with the bank, it is better that you open a savings account. Both here above and in the description, you have the best savings accounts in the United States. To open a certificate of deposit with Citibank, you don't need to have a checking account with this bank. In the process of opening the certificate of deposit, Citibank will ask for your social security number and account number in the United States. With only these documents you can open the CD. On this slide you are seeing the yields and terms. At 9 months you have 4.75% APY, at 12 months 4.05% APY, and 24 months you have a 2.47% APY. As we told you, the maximum interest rates are at 9, 12 and 18 months. Remember that it is very important to choose the terms well, because if we withdraw the money before maturity date, we have penalties. To see a simple example, if we deposit $100,000 with a term of 9 months, the interest generated would be $3,541. The more money you deposit and the longer the term, the higher the interest will be. Finally, you are seeing a comparison of the best certificates of deposits that you can open in the United States in 2023. As you can see, there are 13 banks that offer certificates of deposit with an interest rate higher than 4.5% APY. Both here above and in the description, you have the complete video with the characteristics of each certificate of deposit. For this reason, our conclusion is that Citibank does not offer a competitive certificate of deposit because it forces you to deposit $100,000 to get the maximum return and only offers good terms for 9 months. On the other hand, Citibank is one of the safest banks in the United States, and if you have more than $100,000 saved and you only want 9 months, this is a very good option. We hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask us, and we will try to solve it in less than 48 hours. You can also subscribe to receive videos every day and visit us at Responsible Economy website, and remember that you have more links in the description. Have a nice day.